Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimantu mabuye ubambolunye uhlase bodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Nia Tembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Funa ukwenza sure. Thelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm with my son. Welcome Dlamini. Shendere bobo. Shi popo. Shi. Take me to the couples. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana Kings bathi umtimandu mabuye ubambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Nia Tembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Malaitos. Lokho mfana. Kuyisifebana kona. Ukubhekile nje ngibathi ubone kuza la. Uthi kunako uvebana la. Woza phinda. Woza welcome. Njaya sana awungathuki sister asibone ukuthi akasathukanga umuntu wakho my brother phela kumele ubonise nawe action mawukuthi umuntu uyathuka ukuthi hayi I got this under control kamba kanjani
It's sexy, bro.
sho ubayigama mfethu hola puti hola ubayigama mfethu
Ubani we?
mina ngo King Ginger bhuti wami so ngifunda eNgwenya University of Arts Arts and Culture department so into esiyenzayo sambe sibuza abantu ukuthi are they dating yini because most abantu bafuna ukungena kuma relationships so esikoleni college yethu so asenzele save ubani igama my brother Urorisang awunjayami ngiyayincane confidence yakho Urorisang usister ubani igama
Ngizama.
Okay, sizama ngoba ngathi uPutrorisang ngathi akangizwa kahle. Into engambe ngiyenza sambe sibuza imibuzo. Siphuma college university yasekhaya ekuthiwa iNgwenya University of Arts. So now into eyenzakalayo wena sister wena noPutrorisang niyathandana?
Yebo siyathandana.
Oh nice. So ungathi yini oyithandayo ngoPutrorisang?
Ngithanda konke nje ukuyena.
Yeah, umuntu alright. And ukuphethe kahle.
Yeah.
Sure. Wena Putrorisang ungathi yini oyithandayo ngosisibani?
Zami.
Sizama.
She's so beautiful.
Awujayazi. Herori, kokuphi edladleni kohayi singimojozi. eRustenburg. Ngiyakufila dog. I feel your confidence. You are a rusty dusty. Mntana yami. So wena mfethu uyimisele ngani ngoma my sister mhlambe njengoba senithandana nje.
Ejo, kopo translate nyana.
Oh, kana ka bua. Gona bothata. Ke a bua ke a khuluma. So ke botsa gore o kemisetse ka eng ka awuzama.
Oh, like I just want to go further with it.
Yeah.
And go on and call it.
Yeah.
Nalene.
So those are your intentions.
Exactly. I'm determined.
Sure, mfethu.
Oh, yeah.
So when my brother so uphethe grand is she the ideal woman you've been dreaming of?
Exactly.
Okay. I want to ask you some questions. So my brother, in a scale of 100 umuthepa hakai os 80%. In a scale of 100 when we tepa hakai
99.9.
Wena na Rusty. So uteng motho mongwe o ratanang le yena besides Ozama. Ayo.
She knows.
Okay. Last question. Iteng ntho batla go lekunutu o batlang go le ntsha o go go OC o secret ene o tshwere maro batla gore nje sorry and leave na le bophelo bo monate.
Ga ke na di secret, so I always share everything like with her.
Okay. U sure?
100% sure.
Ulikhumbula leli thu. Sister, in a scale of 100 ungathi umthemba kangaki kodwa uputi urori
95%.
95. Wena uyithemba kangaki ku 100?
kakhulu. Kakhulu.
100.
Yeah.
Ukhona yini omunye umuntu mhlawumbe onokukuhlebela into ezihlekisayo la endlebeni yakho?
Cha ke.
Ikhona into ofuna ukuyikhipha? Uyamthanda? Hayi, Rori, ngicela umuphi ihagi mfethu umuntu wakho, umubulele gore wa morata. Ibe tight Rori, king no yana la thabana. Tight man, nice one. Wena umthaba umuntu wakho. Ngitsaba yithinde gape kubona gore umthaba. Yeah. Oh, lina li love respect. Lirato la lona la go public. Lina le respect. Oh, wena sister vele awuthandi ukhagaga na emphakathini. Ngithanda ukubazela ndawonye kuphela. Hey nina, hey lentenisi. So zama kukuphi emakhaya?
Use KZN.
Kuphi neKZN?
Inquthu.
Enquthu. Wadabula inquthu wezegoli wazothatha nangu owalena ngempela umfowethu uRori. Njengoba umbone ebuye beneyinkinga zesiZulu. Niye nenze njani manikhuluma njengoba umbone ukuthi ubuye benenkinga phela lo?
Siyafundisana, ngifundisa ilanga jakhe nami ngiyamfundisa yami.
Hey. So uthisha yini?
Bo.
Ngiyamthanda ne?
Kakhulu.
I know, go right face. My brother, I wish you all the best in your relationship. Lina Kitengo Northwest, I represent Klerksdorp, but big up to Rustenburg. Power to that. Enguthi mfethu siyabonga senthanda nani. Cela futhi nithandane kahle mfethu. Ngeke ngidisturb abantu abathandanayo mina ngiyabathanda and mina ngila eSouth Africa ukuzolungisa izinto zabantu abathandanayo. So I wish you all the best in your relationship and be the good ones. Now ngathanda ukuyibongela nje. Mbonge mfethu.
Ushayo man.
Ushayine. Nishayina ngalento eniyenzayo. Ngathi wrong.
Fifth
So kunento esiyenzayo la ekuthiwa i-loyalty test. I-loyalty test is whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena Brian, unika umuntu wakhe ifoni yakho for 60 seconds khura check ko WhatsApp, Facebook, le Instagram khurofleta le mang. Same applies to you sister. Umuphi ifoni yakho asingene ku Facebook, ku WhatsApp nakho konke lezi ndawo. Ngithawuna nginga wena njalo yami.
Anginankinga.
Asha. Ngibathanda kanje labo base Rustenburg. Useyikhiphile. Welcome ozongibukisa. Woza ngapha Rustenburg. Rori woza Tlokamo. Oh, hawurora kafuni. Zama uzama awuyena Rori lethi phone. Lethi phone.
Isidingo sekho.
Isidingo sami.
So uthi switch ama phone.
Just
Angithi siyathembana.
do it.
Indaba man. Zama. Siyaza kufana nawe kunqaba. Ngathi wena uyile nhlobo efanele uqalwe Ncengi yazi leyo nhlobo lezo ncengi cele guqe ngedolo uzokuqhaqhazela bese yavuma zama ifone mfethu yini khona into efihlayo
Akukho engifihlayo.
uyajola
Ngitsho. Asike sibhuku.
are akunabo thatha angani noma senifikile leso sigaba sokuthi akufundise ukuthi isidingo yini sister ungayenzi lento yenzayo ungayibukisi inquthi izothini isikubona ugive up early kanje empilweni
Ngigive up kodwa nje isidingo sokuthi sishintshane ngamafoni.
hayi ungavumi intombo iba strong kumele imboko
yakhe nami ngithanda ukuthi abone izinto
kanti
eyisefoni.
wena khonani efonini yakho
Akukho lutho.
kanti indaba unqabe
Anginqabi.
yini uyoyiphethe kule relationship
Ukuthi sifuna ukukhamba sijahile.
awuthami how do you feel go bona motho wa gago a dira so ganti le ratana jwang a mo bona wa ugolozela wa goloza
I'm even surprised, honestly speaking. Like, I don't know what is going on.
Hey.
Just give it.
umutsiba le so
No.
wa umakatsa ne Brian sister ya ngcono mfethu siyabonga indaba yabona ukuthi uyayiluza indoda umuntu okhunqaba uyayiluza my brother irike thome ka phone ya gago ka speed and then re gcine ka ya gaga sure kupa uyibona so wena ntshaka vele awuchiti
Nah.
usho
100% sure, bro.
one last time ite ngitho batlang go mo bolela yona because before re tsena go phone ya gago
Since I like Gabona gore like she's been like
yeah
struggling to give us a phone and stuff.
yeah
Check up in Wobo.
yeah
If ever I find out that you're cheating on me, then
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
you living ne
Like, that's all.
shala
I
njalo
can't just
indoda yenza njalo nangoku Rori seqala ukuba indoda ke manje Rori uba monano yana yeah what uzwe ngasuluza indoda umubhayeza yabo okay sister mase ngithi type uzo type la makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela makuvela igama lezinye ifebe la ungitshela ngoba urore shuthi uzobefeba nabanye yabo. Alright guys, my name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Ntwana seking indlovu angikho ngedwa. Nginororisani. Intwana yala eRustenburg uthi nje King Ginger, if I found out that my girlfriend she's cheating, it's a chai. Okay, sister, type lapho uthi I love you cause aborori yababona bathanda ukukhuluma isingisi. Yeah. So Narori, as a good guy like you, so girls are not coming for you, like especially in Rustenburg or the complexing.
She knows. Nah, I don't keep anything for her.
Okay.
Each and everything that comes out.
Yini sister wanga uyabhoreka nje.
Vela mina ngedwa la. Vele u-alive yokulela kimi.
Okay, phuma lapha. Type uthi I miss you. Ufake ne-hearts red. Rory, ngitshela.
What if my mom is there?
No. Your mom is your mom. We all know the mom.
Okay.
My brother, I don't trust you. Ko Rustenburg ikwale lija platinum li taimane. Lija li taimane kada. Banyana badaba ke batsiba badese bra.
Ayesu vela kumina.
Sister ngicela ungidilithele lapho utype uthi sex. Uma noRory ngiyamazi ukuthi labafana basema-burbs, they like sex. Yini ungihlekani uyangihleka. Bacabanga ukuthi i-comedy film le. Will end in tears.
Vela kumina.
Vela kuwena? Sazizwa njani? Happy. Okay, phuma awukahle. Ahemela bothela imali. Sibone ukuthi usengela bani imali. Indaba Rory, ungibona No, ngicabanga lezi zinto ekumele ngizicabange. Yizo lezi zinto. Mfethu, you guys are young. You talk about these things. I know you.
Okay, awugele mina.
Awuveli kumuntu. Faka le delete, faka i-emoji ebrinjol, faka i-emoji epentshisi. Ufake ne-emoji yalamanzi athi kwa. Imbora phoma. Hey, the suburb boys, I know you. Like to talk in shortcuts.
Vela kimi. Avela kumina.
Tani come outside. Sesiyaqeda. Wawuthamika Facebook. Yes or no? If no, tell me. If yes, tell me. Rory sang. Oberekisa
Avela.
Oberekisa Facebook.
Bro, I'm loyal. I'm 100% loyal.
I'm asking a question. Do you use Facebook?
No, I don't.
Do you use Instagram?
No, I don't.
Let's check, sister. Why useka?
Seems like you don't trust me in something.
What do you mean? It seems like I don't trust you. What is it that you are hiding?
I don't hide anything. She knows. I don't hide anything. I always,
Sister, how do you feel ukuthi lo mfana lo now is not hiding anything?
This is okay, Crip.
Uzizwa happy ne? I'll tell you, you're an artist. Do you sing? No mistake.
I'm not a singer.
Not a singer. Model, yeah. I wish you all the best, man.
Thanks, man.
Inkinga ke ngathi uzomodela wedwa namhlanje. Ngicela ungivulele la sesi. Ungivulele. Ngoba lo mntwana lo you can hold my brother. Sister indaba ukhalelani ma uyahleka. He's laughing at you. This one I don't know what's going on. Fethu awubheke WhatsApp la. Oh now. Yeah. Mase ngitype uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lezinye izinja la ungitshele ngoba leyo mgorho leyo iyo lezo bikotela kumuntu wakho. Showcase. All right, guys, my name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Ngintwana nje yaseking indlovu ngisejozi, ngiphethe camera ngisiza abantu. Type lapho uthi I love you. Wemkhaya. Yini wamoyizela mawuzwe leli igama leli elithi I love you.
Alot.
Lutho ne abakushayeli kodwa nasesamjoba isitufuza nje kahle nje.
Ba awangishela.
Mabekushayeli uye wenze njani bakithi?
Ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngayindoda.
Olo ukhalelani manje? Rorisang uzovela modele mase kunje. Yini? Talk to me. Ungakwadi. And when you're in a career in front of you, so you need to behave. Ala, kwenzakalani ubani lo mbone lapha? Ya, kazi muphi lo mkhaya ovelile. Hayi bo.
What should I say?
Ubani uShenge? Who's this Shenge? You can't even read the name. It's called Shenge. Read it. Shenge.
Shenge.
Shenge. Yeah. Ngelele lo. Ubani le ndoda oyibiza ngoShenge la. Othi I love you. No Shenge sebekhuluma isingisi manje.
Umfana nje engimjwayela sithandana.
Anithandani kanje pho why ukuthi I love you lana? Yeah, read my brother, read for her this I love you. The Shenge boy say I love you to her and read the part when she responds. Read my brother, read. Funda kushenge baba.
Izoli.
Mfethu manje kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho noShenge?
Umfana nje engimjwayela kwenzakala litho sithandana.
Uqonda ukuthini uma uthi anithandani?
Sithandani igama alibhale uthi I love you akazi ukuthi.
Yeah, bra, you can ask your girl what you want to ask because you can see the boy Shenge, she's shengering her. Can you type sex there and see if Shenge appears again through sexy parties and something? Sister, ngcono vele ukhuluma iqiniso because amanga, ayish, ngeke kusiza lutho. Stakile phela. Or yini simfonele uShenge? Siyibuzele kuye uba
What the fuck?
ehlisa umoya.
So all along, like you've been like
Listen.
sleeping with me and then sleeping with this Shenge guy here.
Yeah. Now you got it, bruh.
What the fuck is going on?
Shenge. Sister, what the fuck? Very mfethu.
What is going on here?
Yeah.
Lutho.
Ungasho lutho mfethu.
That's my boy.
Akodwa sithandana nje kwaba
Ayi.
nje.
So why are you guys sleeping together if y'all are not?
Kwaba iphutha.
Come on. Yeah. Take your fucking phone.
Yeah.
Just take.
Sure. That's my boy. Talk. Please. Talk. Please. No, don't be angry too much. Talk. Tell her.
Let's go, bro.
Ish. Sister. So wena noShenge nenzani? Buku ubalekisa indoda manje.
Asithandani kwaba iphutha.
Uqambelana manga. Musuqamba kwaba iphutha kangaka kodwa. Manje kodwa nakho nje nisakhuluma usathi uyamthanda. Sister kade ahlone mfethu indaba udlale ngalo mfana njengoba umbona ukuthi uphaqa nje unje.
Angihlali ngaye ngiyamthanda.
Uyamthanda? Umthanda kanjani kodwa udlala ngaye umbhanqa noShenge mfethu?
Angimbhangi kwaba iphutha asho ukuthi uShenge.
So wena noShenge nisabonana?
Sabona.
Uyasindela ukuthi indoda yakhe ihambile bese somfonela uShenge. Buku uyahleka. Indaba wena umhlekele mfana emekwatile.
Angimhleki. Ngithanda yena mina.
Kanjani mfethu? Kuningi ne? Liphi icici lakhe elinye?
Ngikazi sho.
Awulazi ne? Kuningi ne? Mawuzonza nje zoqhubeka noShenge.
Ngikubona namdala bo.
Yeah, bro, you back.
So just come and take your fucking clothes and leave, okay? I
Yes.
don't fucking want you again.
Yeah. Mtshele, don't go, bro. Tell him more. Split, please. Yeah.
I'm pissed, dude.
Really?
Please, I don't want.
Yeah, you pissed. And then you have to be pissed. You have to. Look, joyla gabi, bra.
The fuck?
What the fuck?
is wrong with you?
Huh?
I gave you everything. Like I do everything for you.
Mtshele, mfethu.
Is that how you pay me then?
Let's go, Rory.
Babe.
Come on, sister. And come on, mfethu. Rory, please. And it's over. And you said it when I wrote good law. Uzomlata. If you done, bruh. Do you want a short time last time with you and her? Just to tell her last time so that we can give you space? Hold it, bruh. I can feel you have it. Yeah. Tell her, bruh.
Sinozamanyaza ukuthi kwenzakala ngawo. Like I never thought you could just do this. You sorry? So what should I do? What should I say? Lungisa kanjani? Fucking with someone else, bro.
It's the first time.
And this Shenge do this in Gabi.
Bro.
Yeah. Gabi.
After everything we've been through, is that how you pay me? Right? Sometimes I'm like Naktan.
Oh.
Like uyayazi futhi wayithi. Uyayazi ngithi. But I think I just can't do this and okay,
Yeah.
we are done.
Mtshele
I
Sheng.
don't wanna lie, like this is bullshit. This is fucking bullshit.
Sheng strong wena njalo strong Rorisang yazi.
I think,
It's over ne?
but I blame you, bro. Like
How?
I don't wanna lie. Like I wouldn't find this
Hawu,
thing.
Shenge. Njalo wena Rory. It's ngibambele. Let me hold this for you. My brother, you are hurt. You don't know what you are saying. The only thing you need to do now, you need to go home. Rest, cry nice. Yabo, uzoba right. Yeah. Hamba ke manje Rorisang. Angithi awusamfuni lo.
Ngizohamba nami.
Uhamba nani yaphi?
Siyendlini.
No, oyibo akasakufuni. Musuyomthoba ngaleyo mpahla.
Mina ngiyamthanda.
Hayi. Go bros, we're going to protect you. Go.
Just
Yeah. Bro, go. Yabona lo mfana unobuDonald.
ukhona ukuthi
Unabo ubuDonald.
athi uzokhipha imali ebo
Unabo ubumike obomvu. Yeah.
I'm fucking done with you. I'm serious, though.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Ungakhali Rorisang please.
Oh,
Miyeke Rorisang ungakhali. Ayisakufuni enye ingane mfethu yakho.
go.
Yeah.
Like I don't know.
Hamba Donald.
I'll Uber like a drone or something.
Yeah. Sibayeke mfethu lapha. Unabo ubuDonald wena. Yeah, akasakufuni sister, awusenandoda. I wanna I wanna Unabo. Donald! Bonini lo mfana uthi unabo ubukukunat, Rorisang gama lakhe from Rustenburg. Imagine. Yo, what up, brothers? Salute. Izzo. It's Beverly King. It's going crazy. My name is King Ginger Cream Dela. Mhlabo wami. Take me home, baba. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream Dela Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuye ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.